Today I'm going to show you Greenlight's high-quality UK manufactured Opus Air Pillow system. Greenlight exclusively sells products that offer a significant environmental improvement over competing products. Our films are manufactured from medium density polyethylene. This blend is unique to Greenlight and has been designed to give three key benefits: higher puncture resistance than LDPE film, superior air leakage barrier properties than LDPE film, and excellent elastic properties to give superior levels of shock and impact protection. Opus Bio will completely degrade in 12 to 24 months, leaving no residue. Opus Re-C is made from up to 40% recycled plastic and can reduce the amount of virgin plastic entering the waste stream. The Opus machines are manufactured at our award-winning advanced engineering factory in the UK. Not only is it designed and UK made, Opus uses high-quality European source components in its manufacture. These include a medical-grade power supply and a Swiss blower at the heart of the machine. The wear parts are designed to have a long life, low cost and be easy to change. The roll of film takes less than 10 seconds to load. Simply thread the film over the air bar and the machine is now ready to start producing pillows. A simple menu controls the system and allows the operator to set a batch quantity, adjust the heat seal parameters and vary the amount of air in the cushion. The operator menu can be customized to the user's own personal requirements by changing the language or allocating system preset buttons for the specific air pillow size to be used. The Opus control system ensures that the first cushion is sealed, meaning no waste bags on startup. The Opus operates at speeds of up to 18 meters or 55 feet per minute and can produce over 400 cubic feet or 11 cubic meters of air pillows per hour. Through innovative design, a roll of Opus film can produce up to 30% more volume than some competitive brands. This means 30% fewer cushions per box and a 30% reduction in total pack costs.